Welcome back everyone. So आज हामी पढ्न गइरहेका छौं how do we write book review or हामीले like कुनै पनि बुकको यस्तो रिभ्यू कसरी दिन सक्छौं. So for writing a book review, the very first thing you guys need to choose a book that you have read it अनि जसमा चाहिँ तपाई एकदमै कन्फिडेन्ट हुनुहुन्छ कि तपाईलाई स्टोरी थाहा छ भनेर त्यस्तो बुक चाहिँ चुज गर्नु होला. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ how do you start writing a book review तब. So the first thing you do is you write the title of the book. अब तपाईको कुन बुक हो तपाई त्यसको बारेमा लेख्नुहुन्छ. So you write the title of the book कि like this is the book written by this specific author. Remember remember to choose a book जसको author को नाम तपाईलाई थाहा छ, जसको टाइमलाइन तपाईलाई थाहा छ, जसको if series छ भने, if plots छ, events छ भने, charactersहरु you know it pretty well. So त्यस्तो हामी खोज्छौं and then पहिला चाहिँ what do we do is we write the title of the book. book को नाम के हो हामी त्यो लेख्छौं. A review of यसमा पनि we write the book को नाम and त्यसपछि we started by writing the title of the book that this is the book written by the author. अब book को जो पनि author छ उहाँको नाम हामी मेन्सन गर्छौं and then we write name of the publisher. Publisher भनेको publish गर्ने मान्छे, so like author is the one writing the book. So publish गर्ने publisher को पनि हामी नाम लेख्छौं and then we also mention the year of publication, like कुन year मा चाहिँ त्यो like publish भएको थियो त्यो कुरा we mention it and then if we know like which edition of book that is, like the first edition हो कि second edition हो कि third edition हो हामी त्यो पनि mention गर्छौं and then we come to genre. अब what genre you're writing about, is it romantic, is it science fiction, is it thriller, is it horror, it is what त्यो genre चाहिँ you need to mention about your book while you're writing a review. Even that is like something that is more important and like that detail is necessary to write. And then we head on to like यति कुरा हामीले मेन्सन गरिसकेपछि हामी प्याराग्राफ लेख्न स्टार्ट गर्छौं. Like you can consider this as the first paragraph, or even if you don't consider it as the first paragraph, you write these things there and then you start writing the body paragraphs. अब body paragraphs को first paragraph मा you write the basic information of the book, like you mention everything that is present in the book and about the book, like the characterहरु भएको, the events that happened, the plot twist that came, and त्यसपछिको like main idea of the book के चाहिँ थियो, like यो book किन लेखेको थियो, यो bookले के भन्न खोजेको थियो, you mention all of those. And त्यसपछि second paragraph मा you write your analytics, like you analyze the main characters, you analyze the characters अनि इभेन्टहरुलाई एनालाइज गरिसकेपछि तपाईको लाइक के आउँछ, लाइक व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट द बुक, यू राइट इट हियर आफ्टर एनालिटिक्स एन्ड देन यू राइट द रेस्पोन्स अफ द पब्लिक, वेदर त्यो मार्केटमा त्यो कस्तो त्यसले परफर्म गर्यो, मार्केटमा त्यो चल्यो कि चलेन, वेदर इट वाज अ हिट अर अ फ्लप बुक, अरु मान्छेहरुलाई चाहिँ के हुन्छ नि रिलेटेबल लाग्यो, के रिलेटेबल लागेन, अरु मान्छेहरुले पढ्यो कि पढेन बुकमा, लाइक the overall performance of the book in the market, you just mention that as well. And त्यसपछि चाहिँ you write your personal review, like हुन त this all our personal review, तर यो चाहिँ you specifically mention what you like about the book, what you dislike about the book, अनि why are you choosing that book to like हुन्छ नि पढ्नको लागि, if you will read it again or not, मान्छेलाई recommend गर कि like for example I read a book today अनि त्यसपछि मलाई त्यो बुक एकदमै मन पर्यो, so I recommend that to my friend, so I will write it in that review. तर if I read one book and I don't like it, so I'll mention it in the review that I won't recommend this to all of the people, like, or I won't recommend this to the people who don't like horror or like very much emotional people, etc etc. यसरी गरेर चाहिँ you write your personal review and that is how combinedly you write a book review. And yeah, that's it for this book review. The only thing you need to keep in mind is कि तपाईहरुले यस्तो बुक खोज्नु जुन तपाईहरुले एक्चुअलमा पढ्नु भएको छ. At least if you don't read books, if you are not a reader kind of person, just read at least one book so that you can write a review. 10 वटा बुक पढ्नु पर्दैन, एउटै बुक पढेर you can write a review. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.